Let's create a parametric pattern design in Adobe Illustrator. It is going to be very interesting. So, let's get started. Draw a line using Line Tool. Copy it with Alt and press Ctrl D to make its multiple copies with same alignment. Now make a new layer to create background and give it black color. Lock this layer. Select the lines and recolor. I am giving it a bright color. Now go to Object and click Make with Mesh. Adjust the settings. I think your 6x6 is right. This part is really interesting because we can create an interesting effect by playing with points. I am taking my time to adjust them. Great! Here is the final result. We can also add gradient in the lines. It will give a good effect to the pattern. If you love the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe.